This is O-Pee-Chee 8008, 5 times. Let's do this. I'm going to randomize this as 5 times, 31 teams. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Minnesota Wild. Bottom is the Pittsburgh Penguins, 5 times. Get rid of the random, drop it at exactly where you picked up your spots. 31 teams, here we go. I do not believe Seattle have any cards in this. I could be wrong. I don't know what that is, Bailey. What do you... I don't know what we're talking about there. O-Pee-Chee Platinum, here we go. 1 hard signed autograph per box on average. Here we go. Sarasenko, a Morgan O'Reilly for the Maple Leafs, refractor. John Carlson, marquee rookies, Ty and Dellandrea. I don't know what Benchwarmers is. Could you please explain that joke? Gibson, Blake Wheeler, a Morgan Riley, icy background boy, number 299 for the Maple Leafs. Marquee rookies of Igor Zamula. Oh, what? You're sick. Shea Weber, Kempe. For the Capitals, Alex Ovechkin, that is 78 of 199. And Sean Monahan. You're sick. Herbert. Alexander Barkov for the Florida. Pretty good. And Jason Robertson. Hobart. Anthony Mantha. Radulov. And Keandre Miller. You're both sick. Sweet selections, Liam Foudy. Shoy Payant, I don't know what that means. Marquee rookies of Cal Foot. Sounds like you want those ranks. A pink Chris Tierney. I know it. And Patrick Kane. That's gotta be Kane. Nikolai, it's a rookie recruit. That must be a rookie. Of Nikolai Nitsov and Alex Brazil. They're definitely not cheap. A silver marquee rookies of Ryan McLeod of the Oilers and Schaefer. Oh, give me a Glenn Anderson, my boy, my biggest supporter. Best in the world, Sebastian Aho for the Hurricanes and marquee rookies of Pavel Francouz. A marquee rookies hollow of Nick Robertson for the Toronto Maple Leafs, having a good break so far. That is unnumbered. Stamkos and Vitaly Kravtsov. Nikolaj is Nikolaj. Ehlers, refractor. Lorana and Geeky. I have no idea. There's more cherry pies coming up soon. Refractor of Panarin. Nice. And Schmutz. I don't know if that's actually nice, but he was really good when I saw him. Suzuki. Nick Schmaltz. Refractor. Number to 499. Ryan Buda. Suda. Who's our auto going to be? Marquee rookies between Lil Gibran. Yeah. What do you mean you've been stitched up? A auto rookie red for Colorado Rockies. Red Rainbow auto of Shane Bowers. Why is that bad? Shane Bowers on card auto. Red Rainbow. I don't know what that means. Marquee rookies of Hoglander. Yay. I don't know what a nut means. Oh, it's time. Andrei Shveganov for the Hurricanes, photo driven. Josh Norris rookies. Sorry, Avalanche. Wrong league. They're all the same. Dylan Cousins from Buffalo. And marquee rookies Bowen Byron. No discount codes at this stage. Michael DiPietro, rookie, and Kiefer Bellows. Connor Ingram, rookie, Pointy Teeth, Brendan Point. And that is that. That is correct.